Hello. So I bought a package on eBay, and it said on the advert, well, it was £77, and cost me £77. It's all the demo, 52 of the demo discs from the PlayStation 1 days that came with the magazines. So I just thought, so this is the box it came in, and we'll take a look at that. As you can see, I've already opened it. Obviously, I kind of know roughly what's going to be in here, but if we say it, first one, this is such a nostalgia feel for me because I probably did have some of these when I was growing up. So that is 55, number 55. It would probably be nice to have the magazines as well to go with them, but I can't imagine there's many in good condition really for those ones. Number number two, which is that is number 58. It does say on the side there, official PlayStation magazine 58. So you got Medieval 2, Colin McRae, and Champions League on there. There's quite a few, so I'll try and fly through them. You got another one here. Um, it's a bit of a different style, that one. So what have we got here? Disc 19, Volume 2, and that has number 37 in it. So I'm not sure if that's the right one to go with that one. Again, I've not checked any of these of what's in them. Um, so we've got another one here. So that is number 52 according to that, and that has number 9 in it. Volume 2, apparently. So that's another one. Apparently that should be number 45, which it is. Another one there. 56. And 56 is in there. I will, on my YouTube, I will play some of these. Well, I'll play all of them to be honest, and go through and make sure they work. So that I'll put that on my YouTube. Crash Team Racing, that one is the first game I think I ever played on PS1. 53 apparently. Yeah, 53. Exclusive demos. And what have we got here? 40. And there we go, 40 again. 48 and 48. Mouse out of the way. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Didn't know there was a game for that. 66. 66. Oh, there is a lot to go through here. That's another one. There's a bit of a glare from the monitor. Hopefully you guys can see that. All of these seem to be in good condition. Disc 6, Volume 2. Correct. But yeah, I'm quite happy I won the bid on this one. They're just good for the collection. 69. 69. 43 apparently. And yeah, 43. Gran Turismo. Bomberman's on there. Dead or Alive. 17 Volume 2. And yeah, 17 Volume 2. A lot of nostalgic feeling when looking at these. 5 Volume 2. Driver, what? That was a good game. 44 and 44. Seems to be less glare if I do it at that angle. X-Men Mutant Academy, Driver 2. I don't think I played Driver 2. 64, yeah, 64. Speed Freaks, 49, 49. The Muppet game, Muppet Race Mania. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2, what a game that was. And apparently that's 59, which it is. Don't think I played any of those ones that are on the, the three that are on the front. 57, 57. We're not even halfway through the box here. Don't know if you can see, there's some more there. The font's a little bit weird, which apparently is 46. The quality of these cases is they're in really good condition. I think there is some of them that are a bit damaged. Medieval. I remember playing that. What else is on there? Crash Bandicoot. Oh, that's a video. Crash Bandicoot 3. 38. And you can't actually see, so let's just double check. And yeah, 38. Final Fantasy 8. That'll be an interesting one to play. 50. And yeah, 50. Demos again. 7 and Volume 2, which yeah, 7 Volume 2. Having the magazines with these would have been really nice. But like I said, I doubt many of them are in good condition these days. 47. Oh yeah, so that's a bit of a dodgier case. Bandicoot 2. Apparently you can crack these and you get full games out of them. And that's number 10, apparently. Because I think the demo restricts you to 10 minutes, but apparently there is a way of cracking it, where you get the full game as well. Metal Gear Solid, number 42, and yeah, 42. What have we got here? WLS, World League Soccer, number 41, and yeah, 41. Now there is some without a case there, but we'll get to them in a second. What have we got here? Tomb Raider Chronicles, Chicken Run game. I didn't know there was a Chicken Run game. 67, 67. So quite a few of these I'll be playing for the first time. X-Men, X-Men 2, and Spider-Man 2. That'll be interesting. I do have Spider-Man 2, the full game, on PS1 already. Um, so that is number 77. Yeah. And if you bear with me 1 second. No. Tomb Raider 3. Obviously, some of these have games listed it's more than just what's on the front, but I don't think you can quite see what else is on there. 39, 39. This one's in a different case. Dead or Alive, playable demo, Gran Turismo, plus T advertisement. And then that's what the disc looks like. Dead or Alive. So that must have been a bit of a special edition maybe that didn't come with a PlayStation magazine possibly. So not all of these have cases, which is what these are. We'll get to those. And then what we've got here. Okay, Jedi Power Battles. 60 and 60. Star Trek Invasion, Destruction Derby, good games. 61, 61. Alright, so this is in a different case, a little bit of a different case as well. Grand Theft Auto, the original, probably. What does that say on there? Disc 11, Volume 2. Can't see from in there, so let's open it up. Oh, yeah, that case is a bit damaged. But if we can see that, yeah, so that's the correct one in there. Slightly damaged case. I think it did say in the description when I bought it, so I did know that some of them were going to be damaged. 3 lions. And then, can we see that? Yeah, that's what else is on there. This 16 volume 2. This 16 volume 2. This is another one. Interesting. And that one is Disc 8 volume 2, which is what's in there. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Interesting. What else is on there? That's what else is on there. 18 volume 2. Yeah. And then there's one more. There's 2 more with cases. That one. Dino Crisis. What a game. Metal Gear Solid as well. Disc 51. Disc 51. Pro BMX. Oh, Tony Hawk 2's on there as well. 68 and 68. Right. So these are the ones without cases. Now it's all sellotape's really well. So I'm gonna try and get into this. Right. So in here we've got registered user demo 02. Not sure what that one is, but it'd be interesting to plug it in and play it. What we've got here, demo, just a one that says demo disc. Does it say at the top what's in it? Don't know if you can see that. I don't think it does say actually. No, but interesting to plug that in and see. Station 8. And then we've got that one. What does this one say? Software disk. Not sure what that one is. Again, interesting to play that. McDonald's Demo 01. Apparently, I didn't even realise they did demos back in the day. Blockbuster PlayStation Challenge. Demo 1, another one that's just called Demo. Oh, look, there's volume 13 there. One says free. CD free Essential PlayStation. Number 52. Volume 52. 16 is there. 63. And I think I put Station 8 at the bottom, which is why it's come back around. But yeah. And I'll be playing those on my YouTube, which is El Wardy. So my YouTube is called El Wardy, so check it out. And yeah, I'm going to play each and every single one of them. These, so it'll be interesting to see if they work for one. And yeah, have some nostalgic feels. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.